really good. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. I think your canter work is better than your top work. Try to keep your hands relaxed. Don't let them pop in the air. Okay, let's turn them around. Walk them and turn them around. Get your stirrups. Need my help getting them? They can get this way.